What's up, guys? I haven't been able to drive this car. I think because I broke the back stud on my rear differential. So to fix the clunking noises, FDF Race Shop, they make a rear differential brace, I guess. What's cool about it is it also has this little jack point, so it moves the jacking point from the diff to here. Okay, first step to putting this thing on. It's actually kind of a pain. You have to take off your axle back part of the exhaust because you need to take off this supporting bar in order to get to the back of your subframe. Now we can actually put the support in. Once you get those toe bolts in, then you have these giant spacers that come with the FDF Fab kit that you're gonna put in between your diff and the brace. And that is your finished product. The two bolts holding it onto the diff. And just uses your two toe bolts. Even with my diff brace, I still can't fit this muffler on. The jack, I mean, look at this huge dent. The jack still hits it. So I just cut the ends off. I just made a muffler delete. But there's kind of the finished product of the diff brace, and it does work. I'm excited I can actually start to drive this car again. But quick little muffler delete. I think it cost me $17 for all the parts. All right, it's warmed up a little bit. Let's give it a little throttle. I'm gonna go check on the house, and we might as well see what the exhaust sounds like, make sure that the differential's not rattling anymore. Let's go. Nothing's really changed. I mean, I got a door and they poured this concrete. I guess it's kind of cool. Yep, nothing's changed. So the brace did fix my car, so now we can start making some street drifting videos. So please subscribe if you're watching this video and you're not subscribed already. And we'll have some cool content coming out soon. Thanks for watching.